Okay, go. Say your name and just say.
Paul Blackburn and we suffered. I've got a problem with drink.
Yeah.
I've done bad things. I've lost my temper.
Right.
Very upset about myself. I met these good guys there, which I was hoping to.
It's hard to change.
No, it's not. If you want to change, you'll change.
Right.
Yeah, because
And you're willing to change for the better. You're willing to deal with your demons.
I've got 5 brothers and they're all older than me.
Yeah.
The only thing I want to hit you.
I used to say I'm reading a paper.
Right.
I know you're all looking at me like that.
Shut up, dude.
But you're dealing with it. You're dealing with it, aren't you? So how long are you expecting to be going jail for?
About 5 years with it.
5 years?
No. I might not.
Right. You're just upset, but I don't know. You'll deal with it, won't you? You'll be out in a year or so, won't you?
I started to say I don't give a shit about the time.
Right.
Treating people like shit, aren't you?
You just can't believe what you've done. I can see you're remorseful.
Yeah. I really am.
And what was that all about?
To call the guy a packy and attacked him at a shop and they cracked me over the head and all sorts. They had me on.
Yeah.
Because I'm fucking pissed, that's the truth.
Yeah.
You got bleeding hurt you, don't you?
Yeah.
No, I feel it because I'm hurting my mum, I'm hurting my brothers, I'm hurting everybody around me. They don't even like, no one likes me anymore.
No, don't worry, man. Just have faith, man. Have faith, man. I can see that you're remorseful, man.
And I just love my mum and my brothers and they all think I'm a fucking lunatic.
Yeah.
I've just been in court now.
Yeah. Be the man, no. Be the man. You know. Be the man and deal with it.
I'm not a fucking man.
No, but you will. You'll grow into the man. You'll grow into the man.
I didn't even need to come here. Wait, I'm off.
Yeah. Okay. It's good talking to you. And that was from Craig.